Good morning, Matthew. What's up? I've been getting on earlier and earlier. I don't know. Yo, what up, VS? If you're missing the chat because you're on Twitter, YouTube has the full chat of everybody. Hi, think Powell concluded in seeing a pump in gold. I wouldn't bet against gold until the structure was actually broken. Just being honest with you. No, there you go, Mango. Yeah. What's up? Oh, Chris going back to Cali, Brooklyn next week. Dude, I don't know what you did last night. I don't know. I grabbed just a small piece because of that Nvidia news. I think Nvidia can rip it. And if they dude, I smashed on gold too at one point. I'm trying to think where it was. It was like right here. I went long right here. Dude, I just wouldn't bet against gold. I mean, you're shorting the trend is up. I probably wouldn't short gold at all. You got an inversion on gold. I mean, this thing's probably going to go to new highs. I mean, yo, this is crazy because I drew this out yesterday, right? This blue squiggly line. You can go on the stream and look. Gold did exactly what I wanted it to do. Blue line comes down, and now we're going to go up. Literally, I drew that out yesterday on the stream. Looks like I drew it out on the afternoon stream. I figured we would come down and then back up. What's the Nvidia news? I think they're allowed to sell chips to the Saudis, is what I believe the news was. That was the news. Yo, did you say you got your guts rearranged? Dude, it happens. I mean, listen, gold is going to keep going up, but eventually it's going to get destroyed. Eventually it'll come back. Eventually gold will come back. I mean, you can't keep going up at this rate. What's up, Pro Trader? WTS, likely impact of news on NQ. I'm not exactly sure what WTS is. I'm a boomer, man. Oh, what's likely impact? Well, if Nvidia starts ripping because of this news, it'll probably bring up all the AI tech shit again, and you'll probably get a nice run. I'm not betting a lot. I took a small stab at it. That's all. I've been just kind of watching this, kind of channel here or flag, however you want to say it. I honestly, the move would be for us to come down, touch this breaker at like 274 and pop. But we open in 25 minutes, so who knows? What's up, Steven? Good morning, Sean. Good morning. Good morning. So yeah, that's all. Yo, anybody see my path stock? Bro, I'm gonna have to take a little off. Path is up 7% this morning. I think PayPal's up a bunch too. Oh my God, PayPal's up over $1. Over $1, make me holla. Oh man. Yo, just follow. Just grab your half a micro and buck up. Dude, am I going to hold fucking PayPal into earnings? I don't know. Good morning, Monet. Yo, I'm just curious. How's the new Call of Duty? Like, how does it compare against like Modern Warfare 2? Like, is it so hard to level up with the perks? Because I imagine you start with no perks and you got to level up, right? How difficult is it? I've been toying with possibly playing. Here's a fun fact. You know how they have those leaderboards on each thing? On Call of Duty 5, when they went back to like World War II, I was like top 100 at one point in what game was I playing? Domination. I think that's what it was, how they ranked it. Domination or whatever it was. I played it nonstop for like 4 or 5 days. Yeah, that's my thing is I don't know when I'd have time. What's up, Mick? Good morning, Marie. I don't know when I would have time. Oh, that's too many. Just whatever the most recent one is. Nah, I didn't shave. It's just the camera's making me look so much better than I am. Yo, trade day leaderboard, man. Dude, I didn't even play Black Ops 2. I think Modern Warfare 2 is the last one I played. Good morning, Kevin. I just got an alert. My meat is getting delivered. My meat is getting delivered sometime between now and 9:30. I ordered from this place by me. No camera filters. I think there's just the camera in general. What up, TJ? Not too difficult to level. Yeah. I was always big on using, what is it, like the M16? I think that was the one. It shoots, it burst fire. It shoots like 3 shots at a time. I'm gonna have to trade that account today. Now that I know it's for the people. No, the government is still shut down, Kevin. There's going to be nothing. Nothing. They're not released. There's a bunch of news that's not being released. It's not just that. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff that, I mean, that's why this market is kind of how it is. Oh man. Silver's at $50. Dude, I remember silver at $16, Fred. $16. Stuff's just getting out of control now. I guess that NVIDIA news I thought was going to be better on the market. I thought it would be better. One of these days, Monet, I got it. You know what it is? Can you play 2 players online? Did they set that up yet? Where like me and somebody else at my house can play online at the same time? If they have that, I might be able to swing it because I can get my kid to play with me. Yeah, yeah. So I can get my kid to play. Like, hey, what's the best one to play it on? Xbox or Switch? The new Switch. The new Switch has good controllers though, because you can get the regular controllers, you can get like other controllers. Yo, play golf. Yo, I'm just curious. When you play golf on MetaQuest, do you also drink 12 beers the whole time and smoke a blunt? I'm just curious how it works. Is it like really golfing? Or is it like, you know, your wife's wondering what the fuck you're doing with the headphones on while smashing beers? Yo, because that's what golf is to me, at least. Smoke some crack and pound Hennessy. So I go for a little smoke before like the first 3 holes. Really get me in the zone. Start pounding those freaking. Mostly I go surf sides now because beer's getting heavy. Beer's getting heavy in my old age. I go surf sides. Yo, what up? Flip, flip, flip. I'm trying to. What number is? You got to buy some T-Doc? Yo, what up, Slade? How was the baseball game? Yo, actually, I didn't play last night. It got canceled with rain. I played 2 nights ago. We lost. We lost. We just didn't hit that well. We haven't hit that well all fall. I've hit pretty decent, but the overall, I hit number 2. But like the guy who's hitting 3 and 4 are just fucking slumping. And it's not helping things out. It's definitely not helping things out. Because we'll get like the first 2 guys on, and then all of a sudden he hits into like a double play, or you get like a strikeout and then a double play, and it's like, dude, we just blew that chance. But I just been closing games too. I've been throwing pretty good. I don't think I let up an earned run this fall yet. I think I threw four times so far. Oh man, I'm still doing that fast. By the way, I haven't eaten since Tuesday at dinner, so I am. I'm still riding that thing out. I'll tell you what, fasting is easier once you get to day 2. Day 1, like 3 o'clock, man, I was fucking starving. Yesterday, yeah, I haven't eaten since Tuesday, Flip. So I ate dinner Tuesday night at 6:30, and then I went and played baseball. Didn't eat after baseball. Went to sleep all day yesterday. I haven't eaten. And I haven't eaten this morning. The only thing I've had so far was black coffee, black tea, and I did have an electrolyte 0 sugar 5-calorie drink, which I'll probably have in a little bit again, just to keep electrolytes in your body. I also went to the gym today. Yeah, I actually feel good on it. After I'm done, I feel pretty good. There's a ton of studies though that it does clean out like bad cells, and like your digestive organs take a breather, and there's a lot of perks to it. Do your own research. I'm do your own research. Don't fucking do your own research. Whatever's good for you. Consult the doctor. There you go. You should consult the doctor. I do intermittent fasting anyways, so it's not that much of a thing. Oh man. That dude, I do this stuff all the time, Ali. I don't even feel everything feels normal to me. I don't know what happened in your family, but for me, I feel normal. Like I don't have any issues. I don't feel like I actually feel really good right now. Honest truth. Yeah, honestly, I feel really good. So I don't know. Also, I have my friend coming in from Florida on. I have my friend coming in from Florida, my best friend, and well, one of my best friends. He's I've known him forever. And I know I'm going to eat and drink and a bunch of bullshit over the weekend. So I definitely, I knew that was going to happen. So I just kind of took it and said, all right, well, I'll just eat pretty good, do this, and feel good about myself before he comes. Trying to set up my fucking Ninja Trader. My funded. Where the fuck is it? Oh my god. Yo, I gotta start saving these freaking desktops is what I need to do. I keep forgetting to do it, and I need to start saving the desktops. All right, I'm back. I think he overdid it and his stomach will not accept any food. What? Well, I'll tell you what. My stomach accepts food. I can tell you that. It accepts. I'm still drinking water and coffee, so it's not like my stomach's not accepting liquid. But yeah, I don't know. I just feel good. I wake up, I feel good. Oh. I don't get like right now. I'm not hungry at all. It's getting past. So like I ate on Tuesday night. Yesterday at like between 1 and 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, I was fucking starving. And then once I kind of got past that, it started to wean off. And then when I woke up today, I don't even food's not even a thing. So I made my account over 20 last night. So should I be able to request? Honestly, they're gonna look at the consistency rule, TJ. They're definitely gonna look at the consistency rule. Like you're gonna have to get that one set. I would almost get the 170 because if they deny you, they're gonna want you to trade another 8 days, I think. Yeah, what is that? That's when you eat one meal, right, Simone? What's up, Mr. Mulatto? Yeah, I mean, it's just for 48 hours or 50 hours, to be honest with you. I'm only doing it for I'm gonna eat dinner at 8:30 tonight. So I got 50 hours I'll do. You know what's crazy is if you take a picture of yourself before and after 50 hours of no eating, the transformation is crazy. It's wild how fast it could happen. Obviously, once you start eating, stuff comes back, but what snake juice? I'm not drinking. I drink water, coffee, and tea. Snake juice. I didn't know that was a thing. Snake diet? Yeah, I have no idea what that is. Yo, you having snake nut? Yeah, I don't actually know what that is. I mean, listen, everyone's different, but it's just when my wife is like, "Oh, I haven't eaten all day," and she's like, "Oh," I'm like, "What? Like, what are you talking about?" So I just want to make sure my door is locked because I got a delivery guy coming. I just want to make sure my door is locked. Hold on. They delivered my meat. Yeah, the guy. So I bought meat, and they're delivering it today, any minute. So I just don't want the fucking delivery guy to check my door handle, and he's fucking, he comes in my house. I don't need another incident. Holy shit, dude! That just popped fucking like, dude. That was like an algo. Did you see that? Just got like a 10-point pop. Yo. Oh, it's water and salts. Yo, they say you can use like beef beef broth. Still hanging tough, baby. Honestly, I thought the Nvidia news would have propelled us up, and it kind of didn't happen. But that's kind of what I thought would happen, was Nvidia would pump us up, but who the fuck knows? Getting ready to open. Are you shitting me? Dude, I tried to catch the short, and Quant Tower was too slow to put it in. Only for 7 points, not like overall, but that's fucking bullshit. That's such bullshit. They just fucked me so bad. I just got fucking hosed. I'm gonna exit this position. Yo, why? What the fuck? Did you hear how many times I clicked? I got get some boner broth. I want to see what happens here. What I thought was gonna happen didn't happen. Oh man, this thing's just fucking sitting in the shop. I can't believe Quant Tower did not let my fucking order go in. Omaha Steaks? No, it's called Wild Fork, Chris. Wild Fork. If you type in Wild Fork meats in Google, you'll see it. It has all types of meats. Oh, you have those in Tampa? Yeah. I like it. Oh, this fucking thing. I'm looking for a dump ski and a comeback ski. A dump ski and a comeback ski. Are they going to push it below 300 here? Jeez. Yo, it's sweet. It's actually swept. I think we just took these lows out. I might fucking take. Oh, I'm trying to pull this up. I'm debating. I'm just going to take one just to see if it holds 300. If this denies this purple and then goes lower, we're going lower for a while. I'm not opposed to getting back in. I just want to see what happens here. I was up a quick $100, so. But this would be, this would be the rejection spot right here. I'm just watching. Yo, YM is pushing. Holy shit, is YM pushing? Are they going to let it go below 93? Are they going to let it go or not? Jeez. Man, this is just fucking dicking around here. Just dicking around. Holy shit, I almost did something stupid. My bad if I'm quiet. I mean, this is the time that you're going to get all the big moves. I'll get back in this shit. Dump it, baby. Come on. Oh. Get over. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yo. Anybody, yo, if you got that, smash the fucking like button. Show me some confetti. Anyone else take that? I didn't have my copy trader up. So I didn't take that in a ton of accounts. I took that in my TPT account. Wow. Dude, that was a great fucking play. I don't even know if it's over yet. Dude, I'm too busy fucking. Yo. Let's see if I can scalp it one more time. One more time for the boys. I don't know if it's going to, though. I'm just in the middle. I'm just trying to trade one thing. Positions. Trading. options. I'm just trying to sell fucking some path shit real fast. Fuck me. Doing too many things at once. Doing way too many things at once. Yeah, doing too many fucking things. It is what it is. Yo, what up, bum? My bad. We bouncing or what? Yo, what up, Maria? Sorry, took it. Now I have to lose. What up, Frog? My bad if I didn't answer anybody's questions. I was BD in this. You got a little. This isn't bad. This isn't terrible. I might take this back up. My risk is very tight. I'm keeping it super tight. I don't want to see this candle go down in red. Otherwise, I can always re-enter lower. But bro, look at that shit. All right. That kind of got most of my money back from whatever the fuck I was trying to do right there. So that's how we do it. Yo, do I go for a $5 take profit trader payout? Got him. See, now the problem is going to be see, now you're going to have a couple problems. Now you're going to have a couple problems because now you're going to be trading in this fucking range, and you don't want that. You want to be out of this range. Dude, that was a great. Yo, my fucking alarm won't stop ringing. Hold on. By the way, anybody new on here? Did you happen to see me at the top of the trade day leaderboard and you decided to come on and say what's up or see what this is all about? If you did, yo, say something in the chat. I want to hear from you. I want to hear from all the new people. Hold on one second. My fucking alarm won't stop beeping. I got to dude, why the fuck is this not working? And we're going, yo, YM is dumping. I'm just watching. Gold dumping. What up, Donovan? I didn't win the competition. I'm at the top. Hold on one second. This fucking alarm won't stop. Yo, hold on. My meat got here. Yo, my fucking meat got here. What's up, Jim? What up, AD? Yo, you know what I gotta do is I gotta throw out like I have this meat freezer in the basement and I loaded it up on shit and uh So this just locked in another trading day. So I actually don't even need this. Yo, I could actually take 2 payouts today, by the way. I could take a take profit trader payout today, and I could take an elite trader funding payout today. You don't think you entered the race? Why don't you think you entered the race, AD? Here you go. Enter the race. AD, join us. Join us in the race. I got to put the rest of my meat away. I just came back for 2 seconds to see. I think I want to see this lower. Quick 180. Yo, I need $8 to take out a $1 take profit trader payout. I feel like I should just do it just to do it. It'd be fucking hysterical. Yo, I did it. I'm going to take out a fucking $10 payout today. Yo. Yo. It's going to be a. Yo, wait until you see this fucking video I make after hours. Yo. Wait until you see the fucking video. Yo, smash the confetti. I'll show you it too. I'll show you mine if you show me yours. Watch. I smashed it earlier on the same trade that you saw on your screen. It wasn't like anything different. It was just I needed $20 more or something like that. I think this trends consolidates and then dumps. Here you guys go. There you go. I'm over the buffer now. So every day I can take a payout. Every single day I can take a payout now. I might put this one on my wall. But yeah. What up? Halai? I don't know how to say that. But yeah. So now I'm over the buffer. So now what most of you guys don't realize is this account is actually static. So there is no more trailing drawdown now. I'm over the buffer, so there's no trailing drawdown. I don't think a lot of people understand how that works. But now I can do whatever I want. No trailing, no nothing. Just I can't go below $50,000. But I just wanted to show you I'm taking my money out today. What's say Thursday? What up, BMO? Yo, we got NASDAQ 1212 in here. Yo, if you're new, smash the subscribe button. Otherwise, you won't be entered into the duck race when we do the account giveaway. True story. Dude, this thing's going to consolidate. We're going to go somewhere quick. Yo, give me not even 5 minutes. I got to go put the rest of my meat away. Yo, hold on. You know what I really need? I need my fucking knife. I need my knife to open this box up is what I need. I would show you on the stream, but I don't know if I'm even allowed to. I got a really cool one here underneath all my shit. It's almost like a Crocodile Dundee style shit. Yeah, I got a ton of paperwork on my desk. I'm going to be right back. Give me 3 minutes. I'm just going to open up and I'll be right back. Holy shit. No more distractions the rest of the day. My bad. My bad, people. Who's Little Bang? Little Bang never hurt anybody. Looks like I didn't miss much. What's up, man? Welcome to the stream. So you went live at market open. It's what happens. I ordered, I just got duck. So I got some burgers. I got some duck. I got some steaks. I got some bison meat. I got some elk. I got a bunch of stuff. Dude, I saw you can buy kangaroo meat. I was contemplating doing kangaroo. I've never eaten kangaroo. But I would definitely eat kangaroo. Has anybody here had it? Just by the look of it, it looks sweet. It's like it's reddish. Like super red. Dude. I got some seafood too. I got some salmon. Kangaroo's great. It looks it. Yo, Popeyes? Dude, I'm not going to lie. This has that fucking look, but who knows? Yo, if I can get at least down here, I could take like a $400 payout from this account today. Come on. I've had so much trouble with this account to get it. I think this is my fourth payout in the account. I've had so much problems with it. You know what's crazy is I was saying I wanted to trade in here for a bounce, which kind of sucks because I just realized that. I was saying that we should bounce in this breaker. Look, I even drew it out yesterday into this breaker and then bounce, right? Look, boom, and then bounce. I don't love this play anymore, to be completely honest with you. If we dip here, I'm going to take this off. I don't love it. I don't love it because the higher time frame, this is where I wanted to bounce. Yeah, see, I'm out. Yeah, I talked about this yesterday. This is the spot. Fuck me. I don't know why I didn't even pull that up. Listen, if it drops, it drops. But this is the zone I was looking for a bounce. I know it's a wide zone, but this is one of those times on the minute chart it looks like dog shit. And I might be able to scalp it to the downside quick. I might be able to scalp it to the downside quick. I'm not saying that you can't, but oh, it's fucking whatever. You got me back in for a scalp. Just get me. On the overall time frame, though, I'm definitely going against the fucking trend here. Look at that. Super chop fest. But I got $100 back, so I wonder if they freaking hold it here or it's just going to be just a dump ski. Dude, if this hits 39, I'm taking a payout. Come on. Just flash it down. Dude, I can't get that one account over the fucking edge no matter what. Every time I'm right at the brink of taking a payout, it just doesn't fucking go. This looks fucking shitty though. Kind of what you got. When it breaks one way or the other, I'm probably going to take it. I actually would rather it go to the upside because on the higher time frame, you'd be coming out of that breaker and it would look fucking amazing. It would look a lot better. It would look a lot better to the up. It's freaking. It's probably not open. It's only open for 10 minutes at a clip. I'll reopen it in a little bit. Just let me just watch. I'm just watching this. Is that it? Yeah. The duck race is only open for 10 minutes at a time, and then it closes. That's it. It's so it's people can't just come in and do it and then leave. It kind of keeps it for the community. Come on. Come on. Fucking just let it go, man. Yeah. No problem. I let me just finish. I'm in this trade. Let me just. If it breaks out of here, it's gonna go up. Just feels fucking heavy. No, fucking stopped out. Here you go. Breaking the trend. Just do it. Just rip it. Just fucking rip it. Let me get some of my money back. See if we can bounce out of this green zone, right? I mean, we could go. Well, that's 80. We could definitely go for a fucking ride. I fucking hate this. Look how choppy this is. I should probably just get out. The fuck is that? The fuck is that? Yo, if I get taken out here, I probably won't trade this area. I'm not just going to keep playing back and forth. Yeah, I'm not playing this fucking area. All it is trading back and forth with no I don't want to fuck this account up. Every time I'm right there for a fucking payout with this account, it just doesn't fucking just doesn't go. Dude, we're going fucking balls out here. Come on. See, I fucking hate this shit, but whatever. It looks so fucking bad. Like, it just looks so bad. It looks like they just want to give it up. I'm so glad I'm not copy trading today. The other thing that sucks is Quant Tower fucked me again today and not getting my orders in. What's up, Andrea? What's up, all the new people? All the new people in here. See, the problem, Steven, is the higher time frame, I think you bounce. But on this lower time frame, it looks like it's gonna just unload. Oh, just had a hold. Just had a fucking hold. How easy was that? Yo, right? Yo, a ton of new people in here. Yo, you can't enter the duck race until you subscribe, just an FYI. So, just throwing it out there. Man, I fucking knew this. Oh, just didn't freaking hold. Just didn't hold and got yo-yoed. Fuck me, man. Dumping. Honestly, I'm even on the day, right? I'm $9 down, so I just took that. I made back all that money. You know, I can't. I made back that account. Can't complain. I played that so fucking bad. Just played it so bad. I still think on the higher time frames we bounce in this area. This is what I was talking about yesterday. We're going to trade back into this bar area, this green area, and then we're going to bounce out. Yo, what up, Corey? Did you get your package? I mean, that was my thesis. It played out down into here. Now I want to see it come back out of here. We just hit the orb. We just hit the imbalanced top. Let's go. That was the imbalance. We came back and hit the imbalance, and we rejected. You could see it right here. 45 and rejected. Yo, what up, Lee? Yeah, that's awesome, man. No big deal that half the keys are sticky, but you know, to each their own. Duck race time? Today is the duck race, Jimmy. Today is the duck race. Oh, man. I can't believe I fucking fumbled the bag on this, too. If it wasn't for the hourly looking like that, fuck, man. Straight fumbled the bag. Yeah, right there. Just fumbled. You know what? Like, man, I can't grab every single fucking, you know. My stop was just too tight. My entry sucked. And what really threw me off is when we dropped here, we took out these lows and then they popped it back up. I was like, fuck. I wanted this to continue down. You know, without this, just continue down here. And I would have had it. Duck race. Duck race. I don't even know if I want to. I'm not even going to play this to back up to the upside. I want to see it come further down. You got previous week high at 194. Although, look, it literally hit the bottom of this breaker, which is 216. That's not a terrible spot to grab out of. It's not terrible. You'd want it to hold this. I think if we go below this, this is what I'm looking for, right? So say we go below and we drop below and we take out previous week high. I think we're going to come back, trade back into this, and then down. Unless we hold right here on the hourly. So we have 22 minutes to close inside this green bar. And if we close inside this green bar, then I would be looking for us to trade back out. It's all dependent on where we go right here. Do you know how to make it so when I move an existing sell stop below price executes at market, not just nah, usually it just cancels when it gets hit, it cancels the other one. Anderson. Don't you want it to do that? I don't understand what you mean though. Like, So you move your sell stop below the price. It executes at market. It should cancel the other one. Why wouldn't you want it to cancel the other one? You want a trail stop? You can set that up in here. You could set up trail stops in here. Break even and trail stop. Like you can set up all that in there. I'm just watching. Come on, NQ. Come on. So I took it off of this right here. And I'm about to get stopped, but that was my reasoning of entering. Tell me it just wicked me out. Just fucking, I'm doing some maintenance on my accounts because this shit looks like we're not. This shit looks like we're going to be in for a long fucking. Doesn't look good. So I'm just kind of I'm reducing my exposure on my fucking real money account. Yeah, I thought so. I thought so on Project X, Fred. What's it convert to? Limit order? I don't know exactly what it converts to. Yo, spider. Oh, no. I think this looks like it might get nasty. I can't believe I fucking was in short and I loved it. I chased. I'm well aware I chased, but let's see what happens. I think if it gets real fucking flushy, you're going to see a bunch of points down. Yo, dude, I'm having an awful. Yo, all these politicians are buying IDXX. That's what I was reading. IDXX, 5 politicians have bought recently. It's some biotech. That's what I was looking at. I got to look at it more. I just got the alert. That's what I was looking at. The 5th politician has now bought the biotech company IDEX Labs this year alone. Byron Downs just to close of buying it. They basically have the National Biotech Initiative Act. It was introduced to boost biotech funding. However, the act still hasn't moved since being introduced, but I guess they're all buying this shit. He didn't buy a lot of it, though. He bought probably like 10 grand, $20,000. Yo, the Netflix short. Yo, that Netflix came all the way back, though. Netflix came all the way back. I got out at 1,151. I got out at almost the bottom. I think Pelosi's one of them. Yeah. Do your own research. Obviously, you got to look. Dude, this was a nice fucking get my money back here. The duck race goes off at 420, Crick. So the duck race is not over. The duck race is at the end of the day. It's at the end of the day when everybody can relax. I'm not going to be running giveaways while we should be trading. I like to focus on trading because that's what this all is about. And yeah, kind of broke even on all this bullshit. Yo, if I didn't go for the flush, I would be back at even. I'm checking my accounts to see what I'm fucking in. That's the problem with having all these accounts. Yo, later, Chris. Why today? It's not bad. I mean, I love the short here. What got me was this big candle down, and then they came back, and then they broke this little trend. I thought they were going to pop it back up to like the 200, and then I didn't really get back in how I wanted. We're probably going to be, that might have been the bottom of the day. Watch that be the bottom of the day. I don't think you ever get like perfect price action. I just want us to move. I don't like when we just start chopping around. I'm perfectly fine how this is playing out today. Um, this is what I'm looking for. We move, we come back up, we bounce. I'm just looking. I mean, I thought it was pretty good. I want to see us consolidate right here and then go up would be nice. Today doesn't respect my perfect setup. I do not use stop loss because I have back tested my setup, no loss. Dude, I would always use a stop loss. Um Yeah, I would always use a stop loss, man. Yeah, I mean, how do you not use a stop loss? Because that just means you're one trade away from losing everything you've ever gotten. See, like I feel like the difference is, uh, I feel like the difference is I've traded real money for so long that like not having a stop loss is like is this like I never even heard of someone not having a stop loss. You know, you're trading real money, you gotta have it. Um, I don't know. Stop losses are for quitters. I don't know. Oh, oh, you know, at least yo, gotta have something. Yo, ask kid poker, bro. You know what's crazy is he's like up, and then he just doesn't take gains, and then just holds for the big loss. Like I don't know. I feel like he just doesn't take gains. He should definitely or gold or at least break even. Any advice? I would have a set stop limit. Like, hey, I lose $300. This isn't the trade that I wanted. You know, like I know what gets me into the trade. So if the structure breaks of the trade, like I'm out. You know, like here, I go to break even because if this rejects the bottom of the orb and comes back down, I don't want to be in it if we come back down. I want to see us blow through this to the upside. You know, look, see now it rejected the bottom of the orb. Now this could easily trade back down 10 points. I don't want to be in that. I think once the trade is busted, the trade's busted. But you know, you have to know what you see and what makes your thesis busted. He just can't accept losses. Yeah, I don't know. I never really like spoke to him about it. I just know, you know, I just know that he has trouble just taking fucking gains, I guess, or taking losses. Taking losses is probably not his strong suit. Man, this thing's going for it. Last I heard, Dell was away, and then I don't know what happened to him. And Keith, I haven't heard from for ages. Actually, I don't know what happened to Keith. I don't know. He just kind of went MIA. He went on a 3-month vacation, but if he's locked in his basement and his wife is torturing him, we don't know that either. We honestly don't know. Dude, I got this weird feeling we're going to go all the way back up to 334. It's got to hold here to stay bullish. I'm only playing light. If this is the bottom, this is the bottom. But if it doesn't hold the bottom in balance and starts going below, I think the whole thing's fucked and you're going to go much lower. So like that's my trade. That's my stop. My stop is, hey, if we trade back below this candle, I don't want to be long in this. So that's where my stop is. It's when I no longer want to be in the position. Oh shit, Garrett. Yeah. Yo, we were on poker. There was a bunch of us. Bro. She let him know the deal. He was told the deal. Yeah, I don't know what happened to him. Yo, morphed into Clambo, Keith. I don't know what happened to Keith. Anybody stay in touch with him? Anybody stay in touch with Keith at all? I did not. He's more than welcome to come back, but I don't know what happened to him. I don't know if that was really him or not. I don't know. I don't really know. I don't know for a fact. I like to know for a fact if I'm going to tell you something. Really? You couldn't fucking you got within a half a point? You couldn't take out you couldn't take out 5 micros? What type of bullshit is that? Oh, come on, man. This fucking market is. Yo, I want them to bring back the 30.1 minute candles. That shit was crazy. We need that market back. Yeah, later on, Matthew. Later on. Same time every single day. Dude, this thing's just fucking dicking around. I got my 5 micros. I'll hold this until damn, man. I mean, I do think we're going to go up from here. I'm going to put my chips in. I guess I could pass this account if it goes up. I think you can do up to $900 a day in these accounts. So technically I could pass this account today. I do not think Giselle hit the jackpot. Come on. Oh, is that really happening? Matthew, it's going to be nice when I can get out up here somewhere and get my $900 fucking dollars. Yeah, it's been posted a couple times, Ali. Sean can post it anytime he wants in there. But yeah, it's been posted a bunch of times. You could post it again. I can't believe that that didn't fucking continue. And I'm glad I got out of this one. Do I have, oh, look, I have, dude, these are evals. These are $16 evals. These are, oh, I'm all in. All in. The problem is trailing drawdown can get you on this. Yo, what's up, LaRosa? I mean, the action's not great. You're not missing out on a ton, but I am debating on taking this long. I would like to get a little bit lower. I'd like to get in at 46. Whatever. See, the problem with this is I get a trailing drawdown. So say we go up and then back down here, I might get taken out. So that's why I don't know if I'm going to. I don't have my exact plan. Come on. I get in with 5 micros. I keep it. I've been delivering food. There you go, LaRosa. Make the money, man. So there's one thing I don't like. I don't like that we can't get and stay above the bottom orb, right? We can't stay above the bottom orb. That's one thing I don't like. The one thing I do like is the price is staying in this flag and stochastics are moving down. That part I like. But the fact that we can't get over and stay over this fucking bottom orb is definitely worrisome. I'm going to break even. Oh, I got it. They got taken out up 262. Boy, yo, 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 yo. I'm flattening because I don't want my trailing drawdown to fuck me. Yo, was that not a good fucking trade? I'm still in with 5 micros though. I still got 5 micros here. Boom, right on that funded. Actually, if we hit 31 and I stay in, I will get funded in this account. Because this is about 30 points is 300, 600. Yeah, if I hit 331, I get funded. I'll just let that sit. I got no reason to I hope they keep me in. Nah, motherfuck. I'm $600 away from I'm $600 away. I'm also take profit trader. I need $41 to be over the halfway marker so I could pass it in one day. I do think that we're probably going to, what I would like to do is stay right here and then eventually move up. Being that I have less contracts, I'll just leave that. I started the open 400 down, got 1,300 down. Now I'm 86 up. Yo, that's pretty good, Richard. That's solid. Yo, it feels like a massive win, I bet. Yo, I'll see you later, Richard. For you guys that don't know, that's Lexington Steele's brother. Be good, man. That's awesome, though. Dude, there's nothing better than being down that much and then you come all the way back. Man, that $86 feels like $500. Boom, boom, boom. I literally just scalped that to the downside and got I just scalped that to the downside and just got a couple bucks for the gotta hold this. You don't want to see this get below. Below this, I probably start getting bearish. Oh, later, La Rosa. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, we're just kind of flopping around. Floppy, floppy. Come on. Come on. No! Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down. I kept it tight because my fucking entry was awful. I had an awful, awful entry. So it is what it is. Couple more dollars and I can get to a payout. I think I need $52,100 for $1,500. Yeah, Waldo. I thought we were going to pump all the way back up. I was kind of with you. That's where I thought we were going. I thought we were going there until we weren't. Probably touch this and come down, right? Little pop action and then a little dumpski. Dumpsky. Man, what sucks is these accounts are down and I was fucking right. I can't get Instacast. It's turning up. Keep me out of doing something stupid. I want to see a trade here for another candle or two, and then no, just fucking just dump it. Just fucking dump it. Just let it go. Let it go. Come on, baby. Oh my God. What are we doing? What are we doing? Bears, show who's boss one time. One time. Just show who's boss. Be like, the Bears are boss. And dump it. Dump it for reals. I want one of these big ass red candles I got over here. Dude, that was so fucking weak. Come on, let it go. Give us a flush candle. Flushy McFlusherson right now. Just so I fucking got something. Come on. Just a little continuation. I'm just asking for a little continuation. Just, you know, just do me right here. See, at least now I can go to the top of this candle and it's basically break even. Bro, fuck that, man. Are you kidding? That's crazy. You just got to say fuck it and just do it. You know, if you believe in it and you back tested it and you forward test it, you just got to say fuck it, right? I think that's, you know, I think that's where you got to be at with anything. Any strategy. If you're in it and you've back tested it and you've done your homework and you know it works, then you should fucking just go in and say, hey man, I know this works. This is my stop, my take profit. And that's it. That's all you can do. Yeah, I mean, you could risk, like you said, like if you back test it and you're like, hey, if it goes against me 5 points, it's going to go against me 10 or 20. Like, the play is done. You could easily do a 5-point stop, a 10-point take profit. You got a 2-to-1 and, you're all good. Yo, what up, Barbie? What's up? That's why you guys, when you're not trading, should be back testing this shit at night and doing your research. I don't just I'm not sitting here buying shit because it looks good. Like I've done my research. Yeah. Yo, I forgot I went all in on these. Did I hit this one? Oh no, this one's still here. Whatever. As long as the fundeds are up, that's all I care about. I should go YOLO on this one. Yeah, Marie. You have to. You have to. That's the only way to really do it. Obviously, if you're just going to YOLO an account, it is what it is. But if you want to make consistent gains in your funded accounts and stuff like that, you got to know, hey, this works 60% of the time, and risk reward is 2-to-1. Oh man, my meat man, bro, you had to see how much meat I got at the house. The meat man delivered. Dude, good luck trading that shit. I'm not up at that time. Dude, I think I just got a noise. I don't know what that noise is. I just got a random noise. Stop showing off my meat. Dude, that's crazy. I got fucking stopped out like a little bitch. Oh, dude, that's twice today in these accounts. I got stopped out over something stupid, and then it went for fucking points. I mean, I definitely didn't want to come this far down. You're probably going to trade back into this inversion. You're probably going to end up going like 145. I bet you go to between 170 and 145. You probably got another 35 points of downside. I didn't even look at this, but there's a 4-hour inversion. I didn't even fucking see it. Right here, you got it. You could have got in at like 79. Your stop would have been up here. Yeah, I only buy them, Garen, when they're doing that beat the beast, where like you could take a 150K account, and if you make like $1,000 in it, you auto pass. Like you're getting a funded account for like $70. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I like the 4-hour time frame. I just, but that's the only time I do that shit. I actually have 2 funded accounts that I can't even activate. I have 2 fundeds I can't activate, and it kind of sucks. Sure. I got in fucking late. I should have been buying at 18. I got in 7 points too late. Yeah, I got in 7 points too late. That's actually my fault. I'm at break even with these. My bad, guys. Just shit entry. That was just a real shit entry by me. I wasn't paying attention. And here it is. When this candle closed, I should have just grabbed it. Either way, I made good money, but you know, either way, I made good money. But I should have. I think I made like $300, but I'm I'm debating on whether to. Yeah, but this is a 5 point. I'm risking $50 here. I'm risking $50. If I get stopped, it's whatever. It's either gonna fucking rip it all the way back up, or I'm gonna get stopped out. And for $50, it's worth it for me. That was worth it. Risk reward was just there. You get one of these V-shaped recoveries, red candle, the next candle blows through, and next thing you know, you're up here for risking 5 points. You could easily make 30 plus. Yo, what's up, Chris? Chris Bova in the house. Dude, why is it? Oh, here it is. Oh, man. Oh, sneezed. Just got rid of my puts, hoping we rock it. Need a big old red rocket. Dude, I just got a fucking text message. Watch out for scams, guys. Yo, get ready for my massive take profit trader payout video today. Coming at you hot. Hot after hours. Oh. I don't know. This thing looks like shit. This thing looks like it's going lower. Looks like we're going lower, lower. Getting a little, I don't know, man. Dude, I can't trade gold during the day. I feel like I'm going to get hosed. Although I have. I just feel like the hosing's coming, Fred. I can't read London lows. We're below. We're below all the lows. Oh my god. Probably PayPal would probably get you there fast, or Wire. Wire same day. You got a request by Friday, and then they pay you out on Wednesday. Just an FYI. They don't pay you out same day. They don't have same day payouts there. Yo, gold is its own thing. I mess with gold at night. I don't know. I mess with gold at night. Oh, look at this shit. Is it going to do it? I didn't even know they use PayPal. Oh yeah, they do. They pay with PayPal. That's the only way I got paid with them. How's that sound? They paid me through PayPal. I could picture the last payout in my head. It was like, yeah, PayPal. 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 What's up, Andy? Dude, this thing's just chopping. Fucking chop fest. Holy shit. Oh, man. Yo, Path stock is up 50% since I fucking got in it on Friday. Just about 50%. Dun, 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 dun. Man. It feels like eventually we're going to dump. It just feels that way. But I don't play off feels, so we'll just see what happens. I will say I was going to stream throughout, but I don't need lunch, but maybe I'll go for a walk, just get away from the computer for a little bit, just to get some fresh air, see what the world has in store for me. Boom. Oh, that was a fucking pop. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Let it run. Just go to break even, Fred, and then just let it do whatever it does. I actually got to go take a shower is what I really need to do. Boing, 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 boing. Shit's pushing. Shit's pushing. Oh, man. It's right back into this little area that we were in before. I mean, if you look, bottom, bottom, and then we just kind of shoot out, right? Is that not the pattern we're looking for? It's cold out here also today. It's definitely not hot out. Just fucking looking at something real quick. Oh, where is this? Where is this? Yeah, it's just pumping. I will say, if I can get over this trade day thing, these are on trade. So if you don't know, trade day, once you're funded, has the same rules as take profit trader. There's daily payouts, no rules but the news rule. It's basically very close to take profit trader. Just throwing it out there. The accounts are slightly cheaper. They're $69 for 50Ks, but you also have a 30% consistency on the eval. So, there's some give and takes. Yo, up a few LUs. Yo, I like to see how many funded accounts you had, Marie. I like that. They can't get enough of it's on sale. I got 2-day one in trade days yesterday night. Yo, Fred, are you talking and typing? Yo, is that Morse code? What was that? I got two, I'm guessing day one payouts in trade day yesterday night. Yo, you got Yeah, well, you know what it is? I pass in basically 2 days, TJ, and then I just flip. I'll do like 1500, 1500, and then I do like $30 and then I flip. That's the only difference, I guess. Yeah. I will say trade day is awesome. Trade day rules are good. I mean, I'm hoping to get this funded. I'm right there for a funded account. I guess I bought I don't know. Maybe that's the trailing one. I don't know. I'll tell you what, we have a 5-minute inversion to the upside. Ah, I might take this. My stop out, I want to see it dip a little bit. I want to see it dip just a little bit. Well, I'm going to go, fuck, it's not going to fucking dip. I need to get to $53,000. He loves big quads. He's loving it. Go! I'm quadding. Dude, blow through this shit. Let's go. Come on. Get me to my first TP, baby. I had to take it. That was $77 in a third. I like to secure just a little bag, $77 bag, and now I'll ride. It just allows me to kind of let this one move around now. Yo, what up, Josh? Yo, how do you like Path? Yo, Path's up almost $2 today. I wrote this week's 1850s. Today I wrote it. 1850s for 2% of your money. It was like 30 something cents. Bro, this thing's going to end up being like $25. I have some crazy, it's going to be that cult stock fucking stupid shit. But I wrote this week's, and if it expires and we're still at $18 on Monday, I'm going to write like 19 or 19.5s and just keep on. Premium is fuck. Premium is juiced. Juiced. I'm not worried about the hour close. I have reduced I've reduced positions though, Josh. Just wild. I mean, I'll write calls until they collect my position away is what I'll probably end up doing to just keep reducing the cost. But if I can end up selling like $1.50 next week plus the 30, it'd be almost $2. I mean, I don't think we're going back down to $12 or $13 anytime soon. But if it consolidates around 15 and you're able to just sell over and over, yeah, that's crazy. It feels like 2021 at the end when everything was going fucking nuts. Everything's going nuts. You need to have that blow off top, and then that's the top. I can't buy Tilray. All that food just got dropped off to a college down the street. Yo, what happens if they ask where their fucking guac is? Maybe it'll bounce right here. I just want to give it a little room. What if they ask where their guac is and they give you a 1-star review because there's no guac? What do you mean it's lagging? Dude, I just logged in to Project X over there. Mine's not lagging. Oh, dude. Oh, when you try to close positions? Bro, but the CEO says it's the best it's the best platform ever, man. Dude. You'll see one, bro, TTD. Yo, I'm in. I got my bags packed. I'm ready. We're ready to go to the moon. I got I don't have that much. I got 300 shares and I wrote 51 puts and 55 calls for this week. So I'll collect on both sides and I'll keep holding the stock. It's weird that I understood everything. Yo. I'm telling you, we get like 10 or 12 people in the Discord talking stocks and options. It's going to be a fucking crazy little group. And a lot of good research and shit. Like people putting in good shit. Yo, trade that paper account, man. Like you're trading a real account, and you'll see, how you really do. Come on, just give me the fucking pop. Yo, what up, Crick? Yo, we were right there. We're right here. Oh, this shit's looking fucking. I want to see an algo. Dude, I'm jumping off for lunch. I'm going to go take a walk away from this screen for a little bit. I'll be back at 2 o'clock. Probably be in the Discord in about an hour. If you want to hang out, come in the Discord. That's pretty much it. Market's just kind of sitting here. And come on. I'm fucking out. All right. Yeah, I'm going to go for a walk. Just get my fucking head out of this market for a little bit. Enjoy some fresh air. I'll see you guys at 2 o'clock. Peace.